But sometimes you just hear it. You can't keep your head on a swivel. I mean, I look up and he's getting wet. Oh, there we go. Woo! Boy, I feel like you missed it. I smacked me down. I ain't got to punch that one down.
You got your name there on it, Dave.
Oh, here we go.
Yeah, they're back behind you. Oh, that's a good one.
Oh my God.
That was like 7
You
feet
want a
up in the
hang
air.
time? Oh! Oh! Oh, here we go.
Hit the cameraman. Nailed me right in the back.
Did he?
Oh, yeah.
There's some good hang.
Watch your hand, go ahead, straight.
Whoa!
Oh!
You're afraid to turn around.
Oh,
there you go. There we go.
Not on Joe C, he said.
Oh, Joe.
Go ahead and get him out.
Hey, only got to get 4 more.
Man, nailed me in the side.
Oh, here we go.
God, right in the head.
Ow! Smack my finger. Look at that.
Holy!
Whoa! Look at this. Oh! Hot dog. You're getting whacked in the head. Oh, we got another. Whoa!
Oh!
Catch one. You couldn't catch him. This was slimy.
Almost you have my knife. Stab it.
Oh yeah. Boom.
Oh, they're coming in close. If we hadn't batted them all back in, we would have had the record.
Oh, there's one. I'm on my shoulder. He went right over my
I got you, buddy.
I gotta tell you, it's hard to hold the camera still. We're gonna get it right here.
We need to bring the ball here. Oh! Got another. That's 8. 8 in the boat. Look at this. That way.
It was in, back in the 90s when you teach it.
Oh!
How many have we got now?
He bent the pole.
So what do we have, 18 now?
Man, that's not funny. That is not funny.
I think it's kind of funny. Yeah, I have to admit I do too.
I think it's broke too. I'm gonna have to fix that one.
18. There's 18 in the boat. You're gonna.
19.
19. I got scales stuck to me.
Do we hear 20?
Yeah. We gotta get 20. We gotta get one more.
That was just like on cue.